Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. We are going to be cleaning up this garage. We got a lot of work on our hands.
Zoya, can you say hi?
Hi.
This garage looks clean for like maybe a day, maybe 2 days, but once Reese starts working on the cars like this, then you see all this mess over here.
We really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Turn those notification bells on. Let's get it.
So we started organizing in the beginning. We had these shelves put up and Reese put it up. I said we had these shelves put up like we hired somebody.
Like we hired somebody. I put these things up. Not very sturdy. So what we're gonna do is fill this stuff up with the detergent and also some of Monique's other supplies for cleaning. But before we put anything in here, we gotta prep it.
Rippies. So once you put them inside the cabinet, they won't like slip and slide.
They're easy liners from Walmart. We're gonna go ahead and cut these up to size, put them on every single shelf that we have in here. A method that I like to use is I'll just put the whole roll in, laid out, and then see exactly where I gotta cut it at. And then I'll just cut right across the line. So I'm gonna cut right here. All right, so all the mats are cut and they fit snug. Besides this one, but it is what it is.
So I found what's easiest is that whatever I take out, I'm just gonna put back and then we'll figure out like what goes where. As the time goes on, you're gonna know where you like things and we're probably gonna have to add more stuff, but to make sure that you're staying on track, just anything that you took out, put back. So we're gonna have storage in here for our broom and mop, which is really nice because right now we just kind of like leave it out, which I don't like. I've been meaning to find storage for this.
That is that for this corner of the garage. All right, so it's the next day and what I'm gonna do is just drill some holes and put some screws into the studs to keep this cabinet holding up. I feel very confident about hanging this cabinet up just because I know that it's supported on the bottom. Let me show you guys. We have this ledge that runs across the entire garage and currently the cabinet is sitting on top of this ledge besides this corner where I have the weight. So I'm pretty confident that it's gonna stay put. What I'm gonna do next is just drill some holes. And I know that there's a stud here. It's gonna be pretty easy to just go straight across down, measure 16 inches, and I know there's another stud there. So you guys see, it's just a regular screw. Because this thing is gonna be pretty heavy, I just figured I'm gonna put these heavy duty bolts in it. Just to show you guys the difference of how big the hole is gonna be. This is the drill bit I was using, and this is the new one. These big boys are gonna hold this thing down. Check it out. The cabinet's now mounted, and it's not going anywhere. All right, so I went to Harbor Freight and picked up some organization tools. So I got these here for the wrenches.
Little wrenches?
Yep, those wrenches. And then all my metrics, sockets, and everything are just in a box right now. So what I got was this little organizer where I can like just organize everything like you see in the pictures. Yep. Trying to speak English, but it's not going too well for her. But yeah, these are gonna organize everything. That way we can take them out of these boxes and I know exactly where my sockets are at for their sizes and everything. Alright guys, so it is day 3 of organizing this garage. Today we got a special box. Right, so we went with the 20-inch 5-drawer combo and it was on sale at Sears. I didn't even know Sears was still a thing, but it was on sale at Sears for $140. And what we're gonna do is put this thing together. Look at this, guys. It is completely cleared out. Check out the toolbox. I think this thing opens up. Everything's in here. Nice and organized. Just look at guys, so we finished everything up last night and we're so excited to show you guys the result.
You want to show them?
Want to show them, Zoya?
Look at the clip on the back of her head.
This is the one thing that I got to figure out because she is going into the drawers, especially the ones that she can reach. She had sandpaper up to the car this morning. Yep. So this is the final result.
Now we just have much more space. That looks good. I like it. A lot more space.
Yeah. It looks a lot better. So we're just going to give you guys a rundown of everything that we did.
We bought both of these cabinets from Facebook Marketplace for like $100 total. And then inside we showed you guys the organization process and we kind of finished it up, but we finally have somewhere to like store all of our cleaning supplies. The toolbox saved us a lot of space.
It just made everything a lot easier, not only for saving us space, but last night I was working on the car and it was so nice being able to find the size I need and all the tools that I need without going crazy.
I've been telling him this for the longest.
Someone gave me the motivation to clean up the garage. Here we have a bunch of the stuff that we kind of need.
Painting supplies, but this is all his.
This is all the detailing, cleaning stuff for the car. Down here we have some more power tools, hammers, drill bits, all that. And all down here we have more power tools that I won't use as often. And then in the bottom we have a bunch of extensions / miscellaneous stuff. So I bought the brackets for this ladder and the broom for only $5 at Harbor Freight. The toolbox, Monique got it for me as a gift. So it was free to me, but it cost us $140, right?
Yeah.
And then we hung this ladder up here. Yeah, you might think, oh, it might be hard to get up there, but we have a step stool that we can just grab it. I hid this ladder. Everything looks just a lot better. It's cleaner.
We still have to clean up the walls a little bit. Like we have a bunch of nails everywhere still. And then as I was showing you guys this up here, you can see like all the holes that were made up here. So we're gonna have to like patch and paint the garage again, but that's gonna come later. This is just organizing the space, making it look a lot better and giving the kids a lot more space in here as well. But yeah, it looks really good. I'm happy with it.
I'm super happy with it. I cannot complain.
So we really hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope that it gave you some motivation to actually clean up your garage. If it is a mess, I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that's trying to declutter as well, just as much as we are. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a like and let us know down in the comments below what else you'd like to see in our videos, and we'll see you in the next one.
Peace. Okay, we'll put the subtitles at the bottom. She says,
no, it's Zoya, subscribe.
Okay,
That's
we'll take
sweet,
that.
Zoya.
Adios.
Adios.